Okay, so today is Tuesday, January 19th, right? We were supposed to be going into topic 5.3. Based on what I was seeing on Friday, I decided that we need to spend another day on 5.2 two-step equations. All right, so let's look at a couple that were giving us some troubles last week. We had one that was 10 minus x equals -5. All right, so when we do this problem, we make our t-charts. We have got to get rid of subtraction. That's my suggestion on all of these, is get rid of subtraction, because all it does is confuse you. We want to make this plus -x. So now, this means that -x plus 10. The 10 is being added to the -x. So we got to get rid of, undo the addition subtraction first. So that is then the opposite of a positive 10 is a -10, right? So that means we got to do the same thing on both sides. The positive 10 and -10 cancel each other out. I'm left with -x on the left. On the right, I got -5 minus 10. I can't subtract negative numbers. That's keep, change, change. -5 plus -10 then is -15. Is that my final answer? No, because that's what -x is. I want to know what positive x is. So really what there is there's a -1 sitting in front of that x. So it's -1 times x. So technically we should divide both sides by the -1. I say just take that negative and toss it to the other side. Since there's already a negative there, it cancels it out. And positive x then equals +15. Does that make sense? Yes, yes, yes. Hopefully. Okay. Let's say you have 7 equals -2 minus x over 4. All right, now this one is tricky, so pay close attention. I want to get rid of subtraction first. So when I do that, I make this plus, and I'm going to put the negative with the 4 at the bottom. Remember, you can put that negative anywhere as long as there's only one negative. I'm going to put it on the bottom because that's the one I'm going to get rid of here. Get x by itself. I don't want to put it with the x because that just adds an extra step. So now I got to get rid of this plus -2. What's the opposite of plus -2? What? Just +2. The additive inverse of -2 is +2. A +2. That cancels that out. On the left, I've got 9 equals x over -4. Okay, so what does x over -4 mean? What operation does that mean? What? It means division. So what do I have to do to undo it? I have to multiply both sides by -4. And that really means -4 over 1 times -4 over here These all cancel out, leave me with x, and -4 times 9 is -36. So on the exit ticket today, just type in the number, -36. You don't need to do an x equals. Questions on that one? All right. Then the other type of question that's given us difficulties would be 1/2 plus 10 equals 15. Sorry, there's supposed to be a variable in there somewhere. It's right there. 1/2 x plus 10 equals 15. All right. So we make our t-charts. Got to get rid of the addition and subtraction first. So the opposite of plus 10 is -10. So we're going to subtract 10 on both sides. Leaves me with 1/2 x equals 5. Now a lot of people just get flustered when they see the 1/2 x. Don't freak out about it, just think through it. What does that mean? It means 1/2 times x, right? So what do we do to get rid of multiplication? No? We divide by that 1/2. That'll cancel that out. And so I'm going to divide over here by 1/2. Now a lot of people try to do this in their head and they'll say, oh, that's 2.5 then. No, because you can't divide fractions. So everybody's got their calculators, right, with the fraction button? 5 divided by 1/2. I know the rule of dividing, it's multiplying the reciprocal. So it's really 5 times 2. And what'd you get on your calculator? 10? Did you guys get 10 on your calculator? Yes. Questions? All right, those are the ones that gave us the most trouble last week, because now we're tossing negatives in it all, right? So we are going to do exactly what we did on Friday. You're going to go into Google Classroom, make sure to find today's date, and ignore the one that says 120, because I put into what we were going to do today first, and then I changed it. So click on today's date, and it has practice solving two-step equations. It'll give you like a cartoon video. Just watch the video for a second, the commercial. Get 8 out of 10 right, like we did Friday, and then do the exit ticket. Even if you got a good score in the exit ticket Friday, try it again just to see if you remember it all. All right? And then ask me for help if there's anything you're having trouble with.